Hi everybody, this is the second video. Today I want to go for Walmart and buy a cheap soil machine because I want to start some projects. And I know maybe you like this kind of projects. What I want to start, I want to make some special clothes and I want to show you all the process. Come with me to start this project. When you go to the supermarket, you have a lot of different options, different kind of sewing machines, and different prices. But I'm looking for something simple because I'm just starting with this project. Here it is. After I arrived home, I opened the box, happy and super excited. The sewing machine came with some accessories and with the instructions too. So nice. I love it. So I love it. I'm happy. I can't wait to use my new sewing machine and start the projects. See you in the next video. Bye!